Guys, today Little Moose is pleased to bring you this video, and we're going to show you that we had engraved the Astro-Physics Stainless Steel Counterweights with their weights on them. And if you haven't seen my little dog Moose, she's been in some of my videos. She turns 12 years old February the 15th this year. She turned blind going on about 3 years. She's only got 2 teeth left, and she was surrendered to a rescue that I volunteered for. I got her around 3 years old. Here you go, little Moose. I got her around 3 years old, and she had lower spine damage at the time, and the vet said that it was old injuries that weren't taken care of. So anyways, hopefully you enjoy this video. Little Moose, say something for the camera. She's too busy eating treats. She's not going to say a word. And what's really crazy is Little Moose comes in at 1.8 pounds, and she's less than half of this 5-pound counterweight.
This is a process that uses laser technology to transfer heat onto metal to make it black. Here's the finished product. The type of work that is done at Carter Engraving.
Okay, so the first question you're probably going to ask is, why did you engrave it? Don't you know the weight you have? Don't you know what they weigh? Yes, I do. I've got 9 counterweights, but I came up with the idea and I thought, you know what? It would look so badass, and so I had her done. Here you see a close-up. Now, on all the counterweights, on 8 of them, I had the letters 1/2 inch tall. On the 5-pound counterweight, being it was so thin, as you saw, that was a 1/4 inch. And to keep it uniform, I wanted all the numbers to the left of the locking knob and in the center of the thickness of the counterweights. Now you'll notice that a few of the older counterweights had an undercut in the center. So what I ended up doing is having them shifted up between the center of the halfway between the undercut and the top surface. And I'm not sure why they did the undercut like that. The only thing I can think of is maybe this parting line, this transition. I'm assuming they machine 1/2 of it or part of it. Jaw comes up, the other axis grabs it, pulls it back, and then they machine the other side, and maybe they just put the undercut in. You know, so I can only speculate. I don't know. But so you'll see that that's what I did to take care of that. But I got to tell you, I'm real happy. The guy did a beautiful job. I think it looks pretty cool, and I can't see why you couldn't engrave any kind of a material counterweight. And here you see what I'm talking about. This 30-pounder, you've got this undercut, this groove. So I had it go in between the groove and the top of the counterweight. Likewise with the 18. And this is an older 18 because 2 of the other 18s I have don't have that. Then you have a 24, which they don't make anymore. And then another 30. Yeah, I think these look pretty cool. Now another thing I'll do every now and then is I'll clean these counterweights with lacquer thinner, put it on a rag, wipe them down, then either use like furniture polish or maybe even a wax to protect the surface. And I did use lacquer thinner, and that black will not come off because these are engraved, but I wanted to see if it would affect the black, and that is not going anywhere.